Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I take you to an interesting viewpoint just along the outskirts of Bangalore towards Bangalore National Park. This viewpoint is known as Tobo Hill viewpoint, and it offers a panoramic view of the Bangalore forest range, and this is around 20 kilometers from the city center. Continue on Banagata main road until the Banagata signal and turn left towards Jigni from the circle. After 3 kilometers, you'll find a right turn which goes towards Pride Vatika and Crosswinds and passes through village area. Drive along for around 4 to 5 kilometers from there until you reach a gate on your right hand side which leads you to Tobo Hill. Big vehicles, even small cars cannot go until the Tobo Hill viewpoint. You have to park it on the main road and go and walk all the way. Since we were on a two-wheeler today, we managed to get inside the forest area and ride the bike all the way to the top of Tobo Hill. It's half a kilometer of off-roading, which is fun riding through it. Since this is not a very well-known place, not a lot of people visit this. So as you can see a panoramic view of the Banagata forest range. Offers a complete bird's eye view, and it's best to visit early mornings when the weather is very good. You can hear nothing but the birds chirping and winds blowing. Thank you friends for watching this video, and follow me to know more about places around Bangalore and also across India. Thank you.